Hey everyone, welcome back to TechClap. Is your Windows PC running slow? Are apps taking forever to open? And your Windows startup time dragging on? Don't worry, because in this video, I am going to show you 7 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's jump straight into it. Restart your PC. I know it sounds simple, but restarting your PC can solve a lot of speed issues. Many people keep their computers running for days or weeks, which leads to memory clutter and memory leaks. How to restart your PC? Click on the Start menu, click on Power, click on Restart. Restart your PC at least once a week for best performance. Disable startup programs. Too many apps running at startup can slow down your boot time. Let's fix that. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Right-click on the apps you don't need to start up and select Disable. Only disable apps you recognize, like Spotify, Zoom, or game launchers. Clean up your storage. A full hard disk can slow your PC dramatically. Cleaning it up gives your system a major boost. Step 1. Use Storage Sense. Press Windows plus I to open settings, go to System, then Storage and turn on Storage Sense. Option 2. Use Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup on the Start menu, choose the drive, usually C, check temporary files, recycle bin and other items and click OK, then delete files. Close background apps. Some apps keeps running in the background even when you are not using them. How to close them manually? Open Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, go to Process tab, look for the tab using a lot of CPU and RAM, right click and choose End Task. Warning, only close the apps you recognize. Don't end any system processes. Update Windows and drivers. Keeping Windows and your drivers up to date improves your speed, stability and security. To update Windows, press Windows plus I, go to Settings and Windows Update, click Check for updates. Update driver. Right click on the Start, then go to Device Manager, expand categories like display adapters, right click and choose Update driver. But the best way to update your graphics driver is to download it from the manufacturer website and install them manually. Adjust visual effects. Windows animation looks nice but can slow down your performance on older and budget PCs. Let's turn them off. Search for Advanced System Settings in the Start menu. Under Performance, click Settings, choose Adjust for Best Performance or customize what you want to keep. This will make your system feel faster and more responsive. Upgrade hardware. If your PC is still slow, it may be time to upgrade your hardware. Here is what makes a big difference. Upgrade your RAM. If you have 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM, go to 16. Switch from hard disk to SSD or NVMe. This one upgrade can make your PC 10 to 50 times faster. Now let's quick recap. 7 ways to speed up your PC. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Disable startup apps. 3. Clean up your storage. 4. Close background tasks. 5. Update Windows and drivers. 6. Turn off unnecessary visual effects. And 7. Upgrade your RAM or switch to SSD or NVMe. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe to TechClap for more easy tech tips. Comment below which tips work best for you, or do you have your own trick to speed up your computer? Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.